Good day, ma'am and sir. Hi, I'm Lalaine, 36 years old, married, a mother of two boys. They are 11 and 13 years old. I'm ex-domestic helper in Bahrain. I do all-around cleaning, laundry, ironing, and helper in the kitchen. I also do taking care the old one. She is 93 years old, bedridden. My contract finished last July 9, 2005. I'm a trustworthy person, diligent in household work, and also willing to train and learn new things, especially in cooking. I hope you sponsored me, and I promise to do my very best to serve you and your family. Thank you for hearing me out, and good day.